If you're looking for ways to grow your hair much faster or how to better care for your hair, then you're at the right place. Cloves is one of the most powerful natural ingredients that can help you grow your hair. I get a whole lot of good reviews from people who have used cloves to grow their hair, and others, cloves just didn't work for them. When I was growing my hair all over again, cloves were one of the natural ingredients that helped me grow my hair much faster. And today I'm going to show you one way that I use cloves to get all the benefits out of it. Because if you do not know the right way to use it, it might even damage your hair. So make sure you're watching this video to the end. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Let me take a moment to appreciate all my returning subscribers. I'm able to do what I do because of them. They keep coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups, and even sharing my videos. Thank you so much. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I appreciate you being here. Cloves contain antioxidant properties as well as antibacterial properties, and this will treat your scalp from dandruff or any scalp issues. And these scalp issues will prevent you from growing new hair. So cloves will make sure your scalp is really healthy in order to give way to healthy hair. Cloves are very potent, so whenever you use them in your recipes, do not use too much. Just use a few cloves depending on the quantity that you are making, because the more you use it, it becomes too strong for your hair. The next ingredient I'm going to add is my rosemary herbs. You can always use the fresh rosemary or the dry ones. Either of them will give you the same result. Rosemary is also very great when it comes to hair growth. It has similar benefits to the cloves. So when the two are put together, it maximizes the benefit of the cloves to even make it work much better. Rosemary will stimulate blood flow into your scalp to make you grow new healthy hair. It can also treat your scalp from dandruff, dry itchy scalp, and any other scalp issues that you might be having. It is also going to treat your hair strands to prevent it from breaking and make them very stronger. The next ingredient I'm going to add is my fresh aloe vera gel. And here you are. If you're still watching me to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these using natural ingredients, you will always be notified. And guess what? I just love to read your comments. So make sure you leave me a comment in the section below and I'll make sure to reply to you. And do not forget to share this video with your loved ones and your friends as well as on the social media platforms so others can also benefit from it. Aloe vera has a whole lot of benefits when it comes to hair growth. It contains vitamin A, vitamin E, and so many other vitamins. When used on your hair, it's also going to treat your scalp. It is also going to prevent dandruff and any scalp issues that you might be having. Aloe vera gel will help make detangling your hair so much easier. It is going to make your hair so soft, beautiful, and also prevent hair breakages. And due to the slip that it has, it is also going to maximize the moisturizing effect of the cloves. Because some people complain when they use cloves, their hair are always dry. So using it in this way, you're going to see a whole lot of difference. So it's now time to strain my cloves and rosemary water, and this is what I'm having now. I allow it to infuse for about an hour or till the hot water cooled down. And at this point, I'm going to add my aloe vera juice. In this recipe, we do not need the slip of the aloe vera. We want everything to be really watery because we need it to moisturize our hair. Using cloves this way is going to prevent it from drying your hair. It is also going to reduce the strong effect of cloves and make it really work great when it comes to your hair. There are other instructions I'm going to tell you in this video towards the end to make sure you are using cloves the right way and also getting all the benefits out of it, because if you do not use cloves the right way, it can also damage your hair. So make sure you're not skipping any part of this video and you're watching to the end. So I added my aloe vera juice to my rosemary and cloves water. I blended it again and it's time to strain it once more because we do not want any residue from the aloe vera being stuck in our hair. And this is the water we have. This is exactly what we need. It do not have any slip, but we just want it this way. At this point, I'm going to add my extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil has some great properties when it comes to hair growth. It can also condition your scalp to prevent dandruff. It will prevent hair breakages and also split ends. But you do not have to use olive oil. You can use any oil that works for your hair. You can use sunflower oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, or any oil of your choice. Just make sure you add some kind of oil to this recipe because that is one mistake other people do when they are using cloves. After everything, I'm going to transfer it into a spray bottle like so, and it's time for me to show you the right way to use this in order to get all the benefit out of it. But here you are. I will appreciate it if you can show your girl some love if you haven't done so already by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these using natural ingredients, you will always be notified. And guess what? I love to read your comments, so make sure you leave me a comment in the section below and I'll make sure to reply to you. And do not forget to share this video on your social media platforms and also with your loved ones. So this is just water-based. Cloves, rosemary, and aloe vera mixed together. As you can see, my daughter's hair was really dry and it was time to re-moisturize her hair. I re-moisturize her hair every other day and I use some of my DIY's natural recipes to do this. And this is one way that you can use cloves to maximize your hair growth. So instead of using regular water to moisturize your hair, always use some kind of natural ingredients recipe to moisturize your hair because it will not only moisturize your hair, but it's also going to treat your scalp, give way to new healthy hair growth, and also going to stop hair breakages. So as you can see, after spraying this in her hair, I'm using my fingers to massage it into her scalp because this treatment will treat her scalp. In case she has any scalp issues that I haven't even noticed, it will treat it before even me realizing it. I also make sure to concentrate on the ends because the ends of our hair is the oldest part of our hair and they are really fragile. They tend to break easily. So whenever you use treatments like these, make sure you're concentrating on every part of the hair. And this is one mistake that people do when they use cloves. They do not moisturize their hair with a leave-in conditioner. Whenever you use anything that is water-based, like this recipe, you will have to go in with your leave-in conditioner. And this will make combing your hair and detangling your hair so much easier and also will prevent hair breakages. Another mistake is whenever you use cloves, add some kind of oil to it and also go in with a hair moisturizer or a hair growth butter to seal in the moisture. And do not forget to put your hair in a protective hairstyle. Make sure to click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch it next.